Hi there, I'm Denise Madden, and I'm a seasoned entrepreneur in this crazy real estate industry. Today I wanted to talk to you a few minutes about foreclosures and REO properties. Have you ever heard of them? I get asked about them all the time. Let me tell you, these properties can be a gold mine for a very savvy investor or even first-time home buyers. You know, a foreclosure is a property that's been repossessed by the bank or the lender or anyone that holds the note to the property, and it's due to the owner's inability to pay the mortgage. The properties are usually sold at auction and at a discount and can be a great opportunity for a first-time home buyer or a real estate investor that maybe wants to buy the property and flip it for profit. An REO property is similar to a foreclosure, but it's already owned by the bank or the lender. These properties, which we sell a lot of, can also be purchased at a discount and can offer substantial returns on investment. As a real estate agent expert, I can help guide you through the process. I've been doing this for 24 years now, and I can help you purchase foreclosure or an REO property. With my knowledge and experience, I think I can help you find the best deals and negotiate the best terms for your investment. So, what are you waiting for? Call me today, 786-344-8004, and let's go out and find you a great deal. Until the next time with the next bit of news, I hope you have a great day. Stay well, stay healthy.